Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy with Cooking. I'm gonna show you how to cook quick easy fix noodle soup in 15 minutes, maybe less than that. So all the healthy goodness. Let's go start it because it's so good and healthy. This food is very awesome and cook very quickly. Let's go start it. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to cook wonton noodle soup. Okay, this wonton noodle soup I bought. This is only a couple dollars. And gonna be have pork. I'm gonna show you how to make meatball pork. And then tofu. This firm tofu right here is so good. And ingredient is gonna be spring onion. Bean sprouts, firm tofu, spring onion, and cilantro. Let's go start it. This is all the good food and healthy. Yum. Guys, this is my pork ground. I'm gonna go ahead seasoning. First, I'm gonna go ahead put a white pepper a little bit to make a little bit spice. White pepper. Second, gonna be the sugar. Okay, second, sugar. Just put a little bit for taste. And tapioca powder. Just put a little bit. Let's say a little bit, say 1 spoon. And salt. Just for taste a little bit only, that's it. And start mixing well. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 egg. This is gonna be nice meatball. I'm gonna add cilantro, spring onion a little bit. Nice color. And mix them well. Okay, now it's already mixed. Tastes good already, everything perfect. And then water boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead to show you how to make a meatball. Okay, how to make a meatball. Just how much you want, big, small, just like that. So easy. And put in here. Just keep going until I finish this. So easy to make. You can make at your home, eat at your home. So good. How much you want, how taste you want. It's up to you. Everything is up to you. So just like that. Okay, last 2 right here. Okay, last one. And cook about 20 minutes. Just like that. Boil about 20 minutes. Okay, let them cook for 20 minutes. Okay, meatball's cooking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. 10 minutes already. Just take it off. Put in the bowl right here. Okay, already done. Meatball, just put on the side, and I'm gonna show you how to put everything together. So easy. Okay, now time to boil this egg noodle. Okay, water boiling. When you boil egg noodle, you have to have the water boiling first, and drop the noodle in for 2 minutes. Cook for 2 minutes. That's it. Very quickly. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'm gonna drop the bean sprout in. Just like that, and take that off. Done. Put in here. That's it. Done. For noodle cooking. Okay, the noodles already cooked, done with bean sprout, everything. I cannot finish too much. I'm gonna take off some half right here. That's all I'm gonna eat because that's too much, right? This noodle and tofu, meatball, everything, all that is gonna be a lot. Okay, that's how to make the soup. Very easy. I boil the water. This is 1 bottle. My ingredient is going to be brown sugar, a little bit brown sugar, and chicken broth powder. Very simple and easy to do this. To make the soup, guys. And then fish sauce, about 1 spoon. Let the soup boiling right now. Okay, with the soup boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add the meatball. The meatball I just make. It's very quick. I'm gonna put about 6 of them. 7. Okay, enjoy the pork ball and tofu. Mistake happen, guys. If anything happen in your kitchen. All right, let's go on tofu right now. Let them cook. Okay, the soup's already done. Let's go ahead, put it on here. Throw it down in there. There you have it, the soup. Good soup, spring onion. Cilantro. Hot lemongrass. Hot pepper, lemongrass. And deep fried garlic. That's it. Let's eat. That's it. Let's go eat, guys. There you have it. Let's eat. Yum. Cook with no time. Easy and eating healthy. This is food at home, guys. You can do it. Cook at home, eat at home. You can do it just the way I do right here. So eat it. Eat it. I love tofu.